Hello, everybody out there in wherever you are. It's day 33 of the Lockdown Sing Song. It's Wednesday, the 22nd of April, and I know that because I just checked and for no other reason. Because days, Wednesday, Friday, this day, that day, it's all the same. But it is another gorgeous day. We're so lucky with the weather. We have to water the garden, which is kind of unprecedented in Sligo because usually we have enough water to last the entire year and we never have to go near plants outside. But no, we have to water. Everything is as dry as a bone. And today's song was prompted by my evening in the garden. As I painted the fence, I heard a pair of feathered songsters in the tree overhead chatting away to each other, pair of blackbirds, and the sound was just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And this song, If I Was a Blackbird, they reckon that it's made up entirely of what they call floating verses that appear in all sorts of other songs around the place. A few that turn up in America, for instance, Pretty Sorrow and Little Sparrow. Those two have verses much the same. And Delia Murphy and Bridie Gallagher sang it. Delia Murphy recorded in 1939, and it's probably her version that I'm doing. He promised to take me to Donnybrook Fair appears, and that's definitely a floating verse. When you hear it sung in the UK, that verse isn't there. It's probably a different fair altogether. And I would like to dedicate today's Blackbird to my lovely next door neighbour, Mary McKenna, who is cocooning away next door. But we have the odd chat across the garden wall, and she's in good form, but no more than the rest of us. We're looking forward to things getting back to normal. So, in honour of Mary, if I was a blackbird, I'd fussle and I'd sing. Day 33. I am a young maiden, my story is sad. For once I was courted by a brave sailor lad. He courted me, lady, by night and by day. But now he has left me and gone far away. If I were a blackbird, I'd whistle and sing, and I'd follow the ship that my true love sails in, and on the top rigging I'd there build my nest, and I'd pillow my head on his lily white breast. He promised to take me to Donnybrook Fair, to buy me red ribbons to tie up my hair, and when he'd come home, oh, the ocean so wide, he surely would make me his own darling bride. If I were a blackbird, I'd whistle and sing, and follow the ship that my true love sails in, and on the top rigging I'd there build my nest, and pillow my head on his lily white breast. His parents, they chide me, and will not believe that me and my silver boy Mary will be. I would let them deride me and say what they will, while there's life in my body, he'll be with us still. If I were a blackbird, I'd whistle and sing, and follow the ship that my true love sails in, and on the top of I there build my nest, and I glue my head on his lily white breast. One more time. If I were a blackbird, I'd whistle and sing and follow the ship that my true love sails in, and on the top rigging I there build my nest and pillow my head on his lily white breast. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you're still enjoying it. Don't forget to share with anybody you think might be in need of a song. And those watch parties are always a bit of fun. I've tried them myself and they're good fun. Hi David Cox, hi John M. Dooley, hi Sandra, Celeste, how you doing? Peter, Stephen, Shannon, Tim Rab Davies, Michael O'Donnell, Tally in Vancouver. It's great that you're all still out there, and I hope, and Barbara Bowers, how's it going? I hope you're all still keeping safe and keeping the hands washed, the head down and out of trouble. And once again, a round of applause for all the healthcare workers around the world who's, putting their lives at risk every day so we can stay at home and sing songs. So that's not so bad. For us, that is. So take care till tomorrow. Mind yourselves and see you in 24 hours. God bless now. Bye.